Alright guys, today I have a great lesson for you on I'll Keep You Safe by Shiloh. Now this is another funky Shiloh song, like many of the others that I've already taught, so if you want to check them out, you can check them out on my channel. Otherwise, we're in standard tuning today, which means our strings should be E, A, D, G, B, E. So just make sure you're in tune first. You can do that with the tuner on your phone or something like that. Just use an app, it's pretty easy to do. And once you've got your guitar in tune, I will teach you the chords, okay? So first off, we're starting up on our 7th fret up here, and we're using just 3 strings for this one. So we're going our 6th string, our 4th string, and our 3rd string, all on the 7th fret here, okay? So 7th fret of the 6th, 7th fret of the 4th, 7th fret of the 3rd, that's a B minor 7. So just make sure you've got all of those first. B minor 7, play them together, and then we're moving up to an F sharp minor 9. Okay, so this is a bit of a different chord. We've got a 9th fret of the 5th string, 7th fret of the 4th, 9th fret of the 3rd, and then 9th fret of the 2nd. So not playing any of the other strings. Alright, so that's an F sharp minor 9. So we've got our B minor 7, F sharp minor 9, and then we're moving up to the 9th fret, very similar to our B minor 7. We're doing a C sharp minor 7. This time we're using 6, 4, 3, and 2, those strings. So 9th fret of the 6th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd. So together, C sharp minor 7. Then we're moving on to our D major 7. We're barring on the 10th fret up here, and we're going to add our 11th fret of the 4th and 3rd string with our pinky and ring finger, okay? So you should hear 6, 4, 3, 2. Alright, so that's from the C sharp minor 7 up to our D major 7. And then the final one is going to be a C sharp 7. And that's going to be barred on the 9th fret, 6, 4, and then 10th fret of the 3rd and 2nd string. That's our C sharp 7, okay? So 9th of the 6th, 9th of the 4th, 10th of the 3rd and 2nd string. Okay, so let's just recap those chords so we're all on the same page here. We've got our B minor 7, F sharp minor 9, C sharp minor 7, and then we've got our D major 7, and then our C sharp 7. Okay, and now let me play the intro for you so that we can work out the main riff, and then there's going to be a very simple riff that will continue out for most of the song, but I'll teach you the structure in a little bit. Okay, let's start off with our B minor 7. So remember, that's just 6, 4, and 3, those strings. So we're going to pluck those together on the first beat, and then we're going to slap down there and mute those strings. So it's not just a mute, it is a slap. And just after we slap, we're going to do a quick pick of those same strings again, okay? So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the pattern will be that on the 2nd and 4th beat, we're slapping down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll see that the next pluck doesn't come on the 3rd beat, it actually comes before the 3rd beat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's on the and after the 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright, so that's the pattern that we're going to keep on using for different chords here. That's the rhythm that we need. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we're going to move on to our F sharp minor 9 with that same rhythm there. So plucking the 5th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings. And again, let's play it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the timing there again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So muting on that 2nd and 4th beat again, and then we're going to go back to our original B minor 7. And repeat that exact same thing, okay? So we'll do each of those chords 2 times. Ready? Let's play that together. slowly first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's play that a little faster together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So hopefully you're getting the hang of that rhythm there. That's really the start of the riff. And then we're going to repeat it one more time. And then we're going to move on to a C sharp minor 7. Okay, so that same pattern there. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just a reminder, that's the 6th, 4th, 3rd and 2nd string all together. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, and a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so the second half of this riff that we've just started learning, we're playing the B minor 7 onto an F sharp minor 9, then we're going to move up to our D major 7, and it's the same rhythm, exactly the same as we've been playing, so you should have your head around that already, but we're only going to play once on each of these next two chords. So you see there that it's the same rhythm as before, just that play on the first beat, slap on the second, and then slap on the fourth. And we're going from our D major 7 that you've already learnt on to our, a C sharp 7 there. 6, 4, 3, and 2. Alright, so the second half of the riff should go like this, and then I'll play it for you slowly so we can play together. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense to you. This is just the second half of the riff, so let's play that together slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the hardest part really is that change from that D major 7 to our C sharp 7. Alright, so hopefully you can work that out. Take some time to get that chord change down because it's really worth it to get the whole riff. Now we can work on the whole riff together, okay? So let's start off a little bit slower so we can just build our way up to speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, 3 times from this chord change. 2, 3. Alright, and then we'd move on to a new section. Let's go one more time a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second time. Third time. New chords. Alright, so that's the intro riff. And that riff is going to be played one other time. Now the good news for you is that the rest of the song, you've already learnt it. It's just played in a different way, okay? So we're not playing the whole riff after that. At the start of the song we have that riff played through once, and then we're going to go to our B minor 7, onto our F sharp minor 7, and then we're just going to repeat that. And that's actually pretty much how the rest of the song goes. But before we finish up, let me just teach you the structure so that we fully understand how it's going to work. So we're starting off with that intro riff, and then we're going to our B minor 7, to our F sharp minor 9, and you'll do that 4 times, and that forms one section of the song. So it's like the verse. Okay, so we've got our intro, then we've got our verse. We're going to repeat the same block as the verse 3 more times. So 4 times of you playing Okay, so you've played that once, then you'd play it 3 more times, so 4 times altogether. So the structure, intro, 4 blocks of that. Then we've got another full riff where you're going onto this one, and then later on. So you already know that part, and then you're just going to finish up back on this one. And it'll just be the same as the verse, okay? So hopefully you've got your head around all of that. It's worth playing it through all together with the recording as well, because that's a really valuable thing to make sure that you've solidified that learning and learnt the whole song. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to check out the Discord as well in the link below. That's got a great community where you'll love to learn more and hang out with me as well. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you next time.